What is up, guys? Today I got here the Galaxy Z Flip 5, and I'm going to be showing you how to... Wait, hold on. Change the look of your cover screen, press and hold. Nice. Okay, sorry. I'm going to be showing you how to set up a Galaxy... Or not set up, but how to customize a Galaxy Z Flip 5, starting from its default... Oh, sorry. Its default look. So, let's get started. Starting out with literally the first thing that, I do when I customize my phone is the wallpaper. So to do that, you're just going to press and hold on the wallpaper where there's no widgets or apps, or you could just take two fingers and kind of pinch in. Just kind of pinch in. Oh yeah. Then press on wallpaper in style. And then there's a few different ones. There's like the preset ones, then just hit change wallpaper. You can pick from assortment of photos, pre-installed ones, or the ones like from here with different colors. So the one I'm going to do is actually a theme, but I'll just install a different one. So I'm going to go into photos. Okay, so this is the one I'm going to do, at least for now. Oh, it's horrible resolution. I thought, Okay, so I decided just to show you how to do this. So you're going to go into get more wallpapers to install the one that I really wanted. And then, so you, as you saw, like it wouldn't show, so you have to kind of pull down once to tap on the little search icon. So I'm going to do Christmas tree. No, again, I really need to keep it in focus. Okay, so, top free. Need to wait to load to see how it looks. Let me actually put my earbuds in, slightly better microphone. So, okay, so I can't find the Christmas tree one, at least it's not loading. So I'm just going to go and just select one of my photos. So the one that I really wanted, I couldn't find. I'm sure it's on my phone still, but it's just not on this one. Okay, so you can pick whichever one you want. Whichever clock face, style, and different size you want, and where in the photo. So I'm going to apply that. And also, based on this photo, you can apply different themes, which I think is actually really nice. I love doing it. Once it applies, actually, what does this one look like? Nah, too pink. Okay, and so that is how you change your wallpaper. And the next thing I'm going to do is my home screen. So I'm just going to add around 5, which is actually 4, and then I'm just going to delete this one, just start fresh. I'm going to go off with my widgets first. So actually battery is what I use. I'm going to throw him on there. I'm just going to kind of throw everything on here and then like kind of arrange it later. I'm going to go gallery widget. Oops. Gallery widget. Come on. Select photos and videos. Okay. Yeah, this is like AI photos that I found that are actually really nice. Oops. Okay. Then I will add, let me see, calendar, countdown widgets. Yeah, so I'm going to do this countdown widget. And I'll fast forward so you guys don't have to wait. Okay, so that is how I do my widget selection. Let me edit this one just so it looks way better. Settings. What was it? Fit to widget, yeah. Oh. Fit to photo, I think. Stretch to fit widget? No, that's not right. Okay, so it must be this one. No. Oh, and then transparency 0. Okay, there we go. So that's how you do that. I'm going to make... Oh, I can't make that big. It's too big. Yeah, okay. So that is how you add widgets. So I might change this up a little bit, but that's basically how I'm going to have it for now, at least. And then I'm going to go select my favorite apps. Okay, so that is how I'm going to have it for now. I might change it later, but that's how I like it for now. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is organize these into folders. So again, I'm going to just kind of speed this up so you don't have to bear through me doing all that. So let's start the hyperlapse. Okay, so that is how I'm going to have this. Just with my most used apps here, and then my second most used apps down here. So yeah, that's how you customize that. And then the next thing that I want to do is, especially with this Galaxy Z Flip 5, is the cover screen. So you can customize this to your heart's content. So press and hold on that, and then scroll. You can scroll through any of these if you want, and then it says open for more cover screen options. So I'm going to do that. Then you can, again, scrub through all these, or just hit add new, which I'm going to do. Then I'm going to go here, albums, scroll down to this one, which is my favorite wallpaper for the Z Flip 5. Again, you can customize it to however you want it to look. You could add a frame to it if you want, which I don't really see the point for this one, so I'm just going to leave it plain. You can add a battery little icon up there. You can choose whether or not you want it to show like the little icons of the notifications or just a little dot. I like that because it reminds me of the watch. You could trim the video too, which I'm not going to because it actually looks perfect like this. And then hit done. And then now that is applied onto your cover screen and it looks super good. And then another thing with cover screen is the widgets. By default there's only 3, but you're going to press or go to a widget, press and hold, and then hit add a new widget. Then you can add as many new widgets as you want. You can open it up and it'll just automatically go there. I'm just going to tap all of them on. And yeah, so let's see, what else am I going to do here? You can do screen timeout. I'm going to do 30 seconds. And let's see. Sadly, themes will not apply to the cover screen, so that's like really sad. But I do like how you can customize it to however you want it. You can just do a bunch of stuff. So here, tap to get started. Okay. But yeah, so that is basically a simple way of how you customize your phone. And it was kind of like, I don't know, almost turned out to be like a watch me customize my phone. But hopefully you were able to learn something